What wouldn't you do for clear skin? Americans spend billions on over the counter acne treatments every year. But those expensive scrubs, masks, and creams won't fix any breakouts if it is the inside that's calling the shots. Skin is how our bodies talk to us, and if we don't pay close attention to what we put into our bodies, any message we get will no doubt be in red. So, how do we make sure that the gut skin communication is flawless? Research has shown that low glycemic, high protein foods play a significant role in improving acne. So, start with a clean, wholesome foundation like a diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables. Here are 7 of the best foods to help make zits and blemishes a thing of the past. Number 1, kale. Kale outshines the other members of the cabbage family because it's the most nutrient dense. High in fiber, this low calorie superfood is packed with vitamins A, B6, C, and K, manganese, calcium, copper, potassium, and magnesium. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in kale work to reduce hyperpigmentation, which is the key to evening out your skin tone. Vitamin C also promotes collagen formation, helping to repair acne scars faster by increasing cell turnover rate. Number 2, sweet potatoes. Retinol, a vitamin, a derivative, is ideal for fighting acne and warding off wrinkles. There are hundreds of retinol creams and serums that promise to make your acne disappear, but for those who are under age 30, this strong ingredient may be too harsh for the skin. So, eat it instead, or at least the original form. Beta carotene, which gets converted into vitamin A, is one of the reasons sweet potatoes have their rich, beautiful orange color. After eating sweet potatoes, your body will convert beta carotene into vitamin A. This vitamin has properties that will act as a skin barriers against discoloration, inflammation, and clogged pores often brought on by free radicals. Number 3, lemon. Fresh lemon juice works as a natural astringent, which is why it makes waves for tightening, sagging skin and blurring blemishes. However, using it as a topical treatment isn't recommended. Straight lemon juice is too acidic and can damage your skin barrier, causing it to lighten or darken too much after exposure to sunlight. But when lemon's properties are packed in a serum squeezed into your water over a salad or part of your diet, it could work a bit of skin magic as long as you include the peel. Number 4, pumpkins. There may be a season for pumpkin infused everything, but there is a lot more to this god than pay and lattice. Loaded with fruit enzymes, zinc, and alpha hydroxy acids, pumpkin can soften skin and restore pH balance. It's why you also find it in many mass exfoliating products. But internally, all that fiber and zinc will do you good too. Zinc helps to regulate the amount of oil production. Number 5, papaya. Papayas contain a digestive enzyme called papain. On your skin's surface, papain is powerful enough to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, fade acne scars, hydrate skin, prevent any future breakouts. For the inside, this exotic fruit does wonders too. Its vitamins and minerals improve skin elasticity and can help banish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 6, salmon. Salmon with the skin is the best source of omega 3 fatty acids, but sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are also excellent choices. Omega 3s protect your skin against sun damage, reducing your risk for developing skin cancer and brown spots brought on by prolonged periods of sun exposure. Number 7, cauliflower. Vibrant fruits and vegetables are associated with greater health benefits, but don't underestimate cauliflower. This cruciferous veggie is packed with a powerful amino acid called histidine. Too much sunlight can make existing dark spots worse, but histidine prevents those harmful UV rays from wreaking havoc on your skin.